So this is the final installation step for the TDC 2.0 basic version. If you're using the Pro version, you can skip this video. But for the basic one, this is what you'll need. The installation procedure is exactly the same for the SSG24 and SSG10. So for this example, I'm going to be using SSG10 version. So what you'll need is the outer barrel with the hole installed, drilled. The inner barrel with the hop-up chamber are already assembled with the TDC unit. And you'll need the included thumb screw and 1 or 2 O-rings depending on how much resistance you want for the screw. So without further ado, you just need to insert the hop-up chamber in the outer barrel, like so. Just make sure that you align the bottom screw, and for temporary you can install the screw just to help. And now that the TDC unit is in, you can use take the included thumb screw, like so, and take at least 1 O-ring and push it on the thumb screw, like so. I suggest you start only with 1 O-ring, but if you like, you can later down the road add another one for extra resistance in case you want it to turn harder. Then just take it and install it. The first few turns should be quite easy, as the first part is only the M3 nut, and then you'll feel some kind of resistance, and that's the nylon part of the TDC unit itself. And yeah, that's basically it. You screw until the O-ring almost touches the outer barrel, and you're done. Just check, just don't over tighten it just yet. Make sure that you install the barrel back into the gun and slowly start applying more and more hop until you find the perfect sweet spot. In case the thumb screw doesn't sit perfectly vertical and perpendicular to the barrel, like so. I mean, this is quite nicely. I mean, it's quite hard to get it on camera. How do we do it? Yeah, can't really get it on the camera, but essentially, if the TDC nut is tilted to one or the other side, that means that the hole might not be perfectly centered. And what you can do is go back, take out the hop-up chamber, take the drill, just this time with 4.0 millimeter drill bit, and drill the hole again, and this should eliminate any issues whatsoever. But yeah, so this is basically it, and enjoy your TDC 2.0.